Please read carefully before starting the video.
Don't be panicked, just watch the video and don't skip it. Feel free to comment your doubts. Updating the Windows. Updating the GPU drivers for NVIDIA cards. Updating the DirectX. If you face problem with DirectX installation, then leave it because you may have already installed. Installing the Visual C++ files. You only need the latest supported files.
Now download the both files for the convenience. I have changed their name for the better understanding. First, I am trying with the 64-bit file. Just open the game folder where the game is installed.
And paste in the root folder. So this is the problem of this weird error, when you copy the unsupported file. Now delete the earlier file and replace it with 32-bit file. As you can see, this game supports 32-bit file, not the 64-bit file. If you don't know which files is causing the problem, just reinstall the game.
1 thanks is equal to 1 subscribe, and only noobs wouldn't thank for this video.